Hi, I'm Luis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you how to take the skin off of a salmon fillet. And this will work for just about any fish species, the technique that I'm going to show you. A lot of people tend to have problems with this, and the main problem being is that their knife isn't sharp enough. So first and foremost, you need to have a very, very sharp knife, razor sharp in that sense, so that you get an efficient, clean cut to remove the skin from the flesh. This knife that I'm using is a scimitar, and you notice it has a sweep blade. And because of that sweep, it's a little bit easier to maneuver around bones and things. And I use these knives a lot to clean fish, shorter models, of course. But this larger model will do larger fish, but it's real nice to take the skin off of a fillet simply because it runs the whole width, almost twice the width of the fillet itself. And I'll tell you why that's advantageous here in a minute. So we've got a piece of farm-raised salmon here with the skin still on it. Some folks want to remove the skin when they cook fish like this because it alters the flavor. However, the majority of the omega-3s that you want in fish are found in between the skin and the flesh. So it's up to you as to whether you want to remove it or not. So I'm going to lay this fillet skin side down first. And the first cut that I'm going to make, I'm going to keep my knife completely parallel to the cutting surface here. And I'm going to just start a small spot, a small corner of this fish, as you can see there. Okay, and this is going to be my guide. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of waste there, and that's a good starting point for us. Now, the trick to this is that we're going to leave the skin under these two fingers, and we're just going to shave gently across with the knife. Again, my knife is completely parallel to the cutting surface, as you can see. So we've got a real nice start here. So we're kind of using the skin as a guide. There's just a slight angle on the knife. And I'm just kind of pushing back and forth. And I'll finish this way. Okay? I pulled a little bit back on the skin as I did that. I can show you since I've already cut through again. But you pull just a little bit against the skin, and there's just a slight angle on the knife. Cut back and forth that direction. And there's the skin of the fish. He's all gone. And you've got a nice, clean, smooth surface there. And that's an easy way to take the skin off of a fish.